Okay, we're going to quickly run through the 4 steps of reciprocal reading for secondary school students. Step 1. The teacher asks the group to predict and then instructs everyone to read the passage, making any other relevant comments. So before you've done the reading of the scene or the book, you say, the teacher says, this is a pupil, what are we going to learn next? What happens next in the text? Then the teacher instructs everyone to read. Either you read it silently, or you read around the group, or you do a mixture of both. The teacher can decide the best strategy for reading. After you've read the passage, you move on to step 2. The summariser and assessor ask the questions and make comments. So the summariser might say, this passage is about, in a few words, this text means this. Let's sum up this text in a minute. And the summariser can ask other people to summarise the passage too. And the assessor moves in, how much do we understand? What don't we get? How well are we working as a group at this point, if those questions are relevant? You move on to step 3. The motivator asks the questions and makes comments. Clarify. If we look at this section again, we see it might mean this. Let's look at this bit again and work out its meaning. Let's reread this passage. So the motivator is really trying to motivate people to actually look again at things they don't understand. Obviously, if everyone gets it, you move on to the next bit. And the motivator will motivate. You tried really hard when you looked at this part of the text. Well done. That's a great effort. And then step 4. The questioner and learning to learn chief ask questions and make comments. So the questioner might ask questions. What questions can we ask to help us better understand the passage? Can you tell me more? And then the learning to learn chief might ask, how are we feeling about our learning? What are we learning about the way we learn here? What targets can we set to improve our learning? My later videos will illustrate how this works in action, but that is for secondary school students, the reciprocal reading pattern. Now you'll notice there's a lot of clarifying going on. I've deliberately asked a few people to clarify things, because if you're reading a difficult passage, you'll need to go back over things and clarify and work out what's going on. Motivator is very important, to motivate people, to keep them on track and interested in what they're doing.